concise RD Works Learning Lab with Russ Sadler. Session 26, Photo Replication Part 1, Making Dots.
Now, we've touched on digital imagery in several sessions now, but in the last session in particular, I made it very clear to you that if you understand how digital imagery works, then photo replication is very, very simple. One dot equals one pixel. You are in control of the dot. We may get onto some pictures today, but really today's session is all about how do you create that dot. Now, as I mentioned in the last session, 254 ppi, pixels per inch, means that each pixel is 0.1 of a millimetre square. 0.1 of a millimetre is probably four hairs. So it's pretty small. How on earth do you get a burn dot that small? Well, according to the lens industry, it is extremely simple. But what I can tell you is the numbers that they're selling you are not the numbers that you can achieve.